Hello folks, how you doing? My name is Dubem. I'm a front-end dev. I also do some design and do some backend. So this is the second video in my package exploration series where we explore awesome packages in the dev space and how they can be useful to you in your front-end, backend, or whatever project. So today we're going to be exploring a very fun package which I found by accident, right? Or by need, sort of. Yeah. My phone is kind of low. So basically, the name of the package is whois, right? So what this package does for you, it helps you to basically get some information about a domain name. Yeah, don't mind. I'm a bit sweating. Yeah, just filming towards the end of the day. So right, so let's just dive into this package and see what it can do for us. All right, so for example, now let's say you wanted to check information around the expiry of your domain name. You could write an automation script to actually check for that using this particular package, right? So it's actually a very wonderful package. At least you will get some interesting information about any domain name out there, actually. So let's actually explore this domain name. So just go to npm and search for whois, and it's as simple as just installing the package. So I've also set up a repo in my GitHub so that we could store or keep these packages over as we discover them. So I'll just classify this as a backend package. Maybe it's a DevOps package, not really sure. But let's classify as a backend package anyway. So I'm just gonna name this file who is the JS and wanna use born, so we'll do born add born add who is. Most likely I want to initiate npm for different folders, but let's just work with this for now. So we have this package installed. Of course, all we need to do is to require it. Hmm, should have just copied and pasted. So now that we require it, you can just check how it's being used. Okay, yeah, simple enough. All we need to do is to just use it this way and see the data it provides us. Right, so I'm just going to run this node whois, right? And what's the issue? Okay, yeah, node backend whois. Oh, okay, yeah, sorry. Let's run again. Gonna take a second to make a network call, I guess. Okay, yeah, so it returned a bunch of information around the domain name whois. So you can see here we get the name of the registrar, updated day, creation date, and even expiration date as well. So you can see that the domain expires like in like for a very long while, right? So a lot more information which I'm not really sure I need. Yeah, but I think one good thing around this is you could actually use it to check for your domain expiration, right? Like you could actually check for that or write a script to remind you so you don't forget, right? It can remind you like 2 months ahead so that you're sure that your billing is fine to renew in case you can buy like more years ahead. So this is an interesting script. It might not really do much for you, but I think it's something that is worth giving a try, especially for this particular use case. And yeah, I think another interesting information actually has to do with the name servers, right? Yeah, I do see, like, especially when you're using services like Cloudflare, you're trying to migrate to another DNS provider or CDN or something, you know, or hosting provider. They usually like show you your current name servers and then they suggest to you to switch to their own name servers, right? So I think that's an interesting use case. Every other piece of information here we might not need, right? But I think it's a good. Yeah, I think some other useful information is around like investigating a domain name. Like there are cases whereby you might see a domain name with like doing some malicious things. You could use this to also check, right? So let me check for one more domain, I guess. Let's try x.com because since that's an interesting domain name. Let's see. what it returns. Hey, okay. Okay, nice. We can see that, okay, it has an expiration date of 2026, and yeah, it still returns the name servers, but they are quite a lot. Right. So yeah, that is all for this particular npm package. I think it's an interesting one. Let me know your use case. You can comment in the comment section, and also share whatever packages you find. I would love to check them out. Bye.